K, K, I, O, O, U, lo, lo, you all, re, re, we, leina la me ke, leina la me ke, my name is Sefane sa me ke, Sefane sa me ke, my last name is Kibidiwa, Kibidiwa, my name is K, K,
In this video lesson, we will be teaching you how to introduce yourself. But first, let's cover a few of the common pronouns used in Setswana. I, ke, you, singular, u, we, re, you all, plural, le or lo, they, ba.
There are several ways of introducing yourself. We will teach the formal and informal ways.
In a formal situation, you will be asked, what is your name? Leina la gago ke mang? And you will reply, my name is Meshack. Leina la me ke Meshack. What is your surname? Sefane sa gago ke mang? My last name is Kabanyani. Sefane sa me ke Kabanyani.
When addressing people in informal situations, you may be asked, what are you called? Ubidiwa mang. And you would reply, I am called Tonic. Kibidiwa Tonic. Or I am Tonic. Ke Tonic. Now let's try with your name.
My name is Leina la me ke. My last name is Sefane sa me ke.
I am called Kibidiwa